Everybody likes to say that the winemakers tread the grapes to get the juice out. But what did we actually use? This is an example of a basket press. Basket presses are still in use today. Admittedly, a lot of them are now hydraulic with rams on the top, but this is a very old one. So this is, as you can see, it's got a wooden base, which would have to have been soaked up prior to each vintage, because as we know, as you could know, wood can dry out over time, so you'd have to re-soak this up every year. These slats here probably would have been paraffined or waxed to ensure that the grapes would carry through. You can actually see little remnants, you might be able to see possibly, there's still remnants of some of the wax on here. Now this is a bit of a jumble inside. We have various bits and pieces, but this is actually some of the remnants of the actual boards and the various bits and pieces that were used. The way it works is that you can see here that these were divided in half. You could actually take this apart, pull it apart for ease of cleaning. But when you actually look down at the bottom of this, there's actually a base on this. There's actually two parts to this. There's a base which sits down and the grapes are then loaded into that. And then you put boards flat on top of the grapes, and these boards here, which are all in this jumble, actually were then placed to build up onto the block, and the wheel was then turned to bring down, and the juice would come out the slats. And we will, if we look carefully, somewhere around here will be a drain port. Oh, it's very hard to see. It's actually hidden right there. And the juice would have gone into a little tub and then pumped away by a hand pump. Basically what you used to have to do with these is you used to have to press, then bring it up, unpack the top, dig it up, because all the juice would come out from the grapes closest to the edge, dig that up so the juice in the middle of the press could come out, and then press it again.